Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making a beautiful Lippan art nameplate. I'll take you through it step by step, so even if it's your first time you will be able to follow along easily. Let's get started. Firstly, I am using a MDF board as the base. You can use canvas board also. Next I am going to draw a rough sketch of the design to guide the artwork. Now I've started working on the designs, and since I took proper measurements before, I'm adding touches of pichwai art to make the piece more detailed and elegant. I've completed all the measurements and designs, and now I'm starting to apply the gesso from True Buy. This primer gives the board a smooth base and helps the paint to stick better. I've completed applying the gesso and redrawn the designs. Now I'm starting with the colors, beginning by the painting lotuses firstly. Now I am taking salmon pink shade and blending it with a little bit of white to give it a soft and elegant shade. I have completed with the painting lotuses. Now I would start with molding the outside border of the art. I am using Fevicryl molded clay for the artwork. I am using one hardener and a resin. I have completed with coloring the border and doing clay work on the border. Now I would start the clay work on the stems of the flowers. Now I am using a flat board to roll it. You can use anything to roll it properly. I have completed with the background and done second coat on the flowers and background too. Now I am starting clay work on the flowers. I have completed with clay work on the flower. Now I am moving to give it final touches, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Guys, all final touches are done. Now I'm starting to add varnish to bring out a glossy shine. Now I'm starting to add mirrors. So finally it's done. I have ended it with applying lots of varnish and many mirrors. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.